Excel does not cause chaos on the first day, right? It more trains your organization to quietly live with that chaos. Yeah, so you kind of already touched on it a little bit. When we look across all the environments to largely scheduling with Excel, the first thing I always tell people is the cost doesn't show up where you expect it to. It's more of a slow, familiar descent, right? So rarely does somebody say, Excel is the problem, scheduling is the problem. Instead, the cost surfaces more as operational noise, right? Some telltale signs that you would see would be planners spending most of their day recreating the schedule instead of actually planning. Schedules change so often that the production teams stop trusting them is basically the main thing that we see is people trying to do their own thing as opposed to actually rely on a schedule because they don't trust it anymore, right? Expedites become more normal, and from a top down perspective, leadership gets reports that explain what already happened as opposed to what's going to happen next. So Excel doesn't fail loudly, it more fails in the background, and that's what makes it really dangerous.